Alright, so the first app that we're going to install on our store is the Shopify app, well, the Shineon app for Shopify. So if you go to poweredbyshineon.com/express launch, you'll get to this page and you'll see this is what you need in order to run their products on your store. So you just click this button, install and get free sample. You can do that, and then you just click to install it. I guess you click again. That's Eric. And then you'll go to Shopify, so it'll say, so you have to put in your name here. So I think I had deal store official, so not your domain name, but your actual Shopify name. Then click free install, and what this is going to do is hook it up right to your store. So it'll log you, take you into Shopify. Then it says the app isn't listed on the App Store. It's a private one. So we trust them because we know who they are. So they're going to manage product, manage orders, view store analytics. So we can install this. And then we're basically going to be hooked up. That's all there is to it for the Shineon app. It's pretty simple. Now you do have to go in on the app and on your settings page. There's setup 1 of 6. You're going to need to enter a credit card so that you can pay for this. You can also do it by a PayPal account. So if you go here, setup, you'll see installed, create first product, add your payment method, set up inbox, custom offers, upgrade your theme, and then make your first sale. So that's pretty much the format that you're going to want to do, but we can actually add the payment method whenever we want, set this up. This upgrade your theme thing, we're going to need that. So let's click it now because we want to have engravable products. First, please give us permission to edit themes. So click that. And then go down and click update. So that'll give them permission to do it. And then what we'll do is go back to the steps. And we'll just go back to upgrade your theme. And we'll install this, whatever version they're on. They need this so that they can do the engraving on the Shopify theme. And it's been tested pretty well with all of them. So that is a good thing. And so now, next step, I go back here. Now add your payment method. So you can add a card or a PayPal account, whichever one you want to do. PayPal's neat to do if you have money in there, but if not, just add a credit card. And here's all the costs that you can see. The chains, chain with engraving, bangle with engraving. Okay, so $9.97, super low. You can sell all this stuff, heart charms, and down at the bottom is the shipping. So they want $3.50 per unit for the US and $2 per unit after that for additional units. Then $6.25 for Canada, $2 extra, $7.25 international, $2 extra. Remember these because if you go outside of the US, you're going to have to adjust your flat shipping rates, which is actually what I'm going to show you in the next step here. How to like the app that I use to calculate the shipping, because I'm not giving them free shipping. They're going to pay for it as part of the order. So go do that. Go get it set up. Upgrade your theme, and then whenever you can always come back to the setup, add your payment method, and then that's really all you need to do. You can create your products later, which I'll definitely walk you through how to do that. Alrighty, good stuff. Go get it done.